right, we're here, man. In the shade, in the nice cool air. It's 95 degrees outside. St. George, you're turning it on too early. But we got some hot cars.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
You might have an elf on a shelf, but do you have a Jared in your undercarriage? Boogie bands! Night Shift Customs 2024, rolling in the Red Rocks. We made it. We made it. Yeah. Here's our booth 2024, rolling at the Red Rocks. Packed. We got all kinds of people. We got the 56 is here in the exact form that I was hoping it would be in. Everybody's enjoying checking it out, seeing the inner workings of what we do. Plus we got our finished Mercury Sun Valley with our Boss 9 all finished up, looking good.
Off of you, I glanced over just to see how you move. All I could think about is what I wanna do. Oh, I see the way that you're looking at me. Behind those eyes, yeah, you wanna be set free. So take my hand and let me show you the moon, 'cause I just wanna be bad with you. Using hiding it, we already know. Tonight's the night that you're gonna take me home. Throw back another shot of Kentucky whiskey. Like turn around, you're standing right in front of me, and you say, I see the way that you're looking at me. Behind those eyes, yeah, you wanna be set free. So take my hand and let me show you the moon, 'cause I just wanna be bad with you. Alright.
Appreciate him for taking care of the show. When I told him I wanted to do this, he was like, about it, let's do this. So, thank you so much.
just one